Hey y'all, so I am back. This is part 2 of get this mermaid color right. I want it, man. I want it for this whole Fulani braid weave in the back situation. I want this whole mermaid look. So I'm back. This is part 2. Of course, you know, last video I did, the colors didn't come out right, as you can see right here. I don't know what happened. Maybe it was the colors. Maybe it was the fact that I used purple shampoo, who knows. So I'm just kind of changing up some things in this video. But I did go back to my local Walmart. I got those Halle foaming cloud colors. I ended up getting, you know, of course, the blue, the purple, and I picked up a pink because I was like, oh, this is cute. I might use it on a wig that I have. It's like a 613 bob wig. I might use that on. Who knows? But what I'm doing first today is I'm going to be bleaching it. I wanted to bleach it over just to kind of knock out a lot of this greenish brassiness, whatever this is. So I got my blender. Of course, I got that from Amazon. I'll link that in the description. I got my Chi 30 volume developer, which I got from my local Sally Beauty. And so let's just dive right into it. So I'm getting all my colors prepped, as you can see here. And y'all, whoo, that's my little thing. It looked like a condom. And I had my little foils, of course. You know, you want that heat to kind of get in there and really, you know, kind of tone it up or bleach it up or whatever. You want that bleach to really, you know, process. So got my foils. And here I am, just going, you know, section by section. Of course, you want to do small sections. You know, you don't want to do these huge sections and then miss out on spots. So I'm getting everything ready. Ooh, my blender, baby. It's been a while since I used her and I'm almost out, but I'm getting ready. Let's do it. All right, so I'm going in and getting my bleach and everything ready. I'm just checking the consistency. Of course, this is going a little fast. At first, it was a little loose, and then, of course, when I added more, as you can see, even though this video is fast, it's not dropping as fast as it was. So going, taking section by section, and I'm just going in. Of course, you want to make sure you get your foils ready, and you just want to saturate and get that all in. So I'm going to hush. I'm going to show this few minutes, and then we'll just come back to kind of show you the results of that end result. Stay tuned.